and get the rest of the sun. Check it out. Look at that. So we got the rainbow coming in again. So I've been following this from the other place. I had to delete about 5 minutes worth of stuff. I was missing some good shots doing that. Check this out. This is the same mass we were looking at. The frequency clouds from the other place with the cell towers and the vultures. And there's a rainbow forming. There's the seagulls. Look at this. Now it's misting out up here. All kinds of jet trails came through here today. Look at this. Look at that mist. Can you see that, Cindy? There's all this mist under here falling out. Look at that. Alright. I'm going to save some more because I'm running out of space again. Too many sky shots going on today, folks. Alright, hold on. Most people just don't notice it, and it's right in front of them every day. Every day. Complete jet trail madness today. The guys at the fish shop didn't even see it. I showed them, they're like, huh? I said, you ever see this before? No. The jet trails put all this together and it's bouncing off all over the place. Check it out. There's another sundog, folks.
Neat. I see a little rainbow there.
That's a calm sun. I got a double today about 4 times.
Wow.
Yeah, it's called a sundog. Yep.
It's called a what?
Sundog.
Sundog.
Yeah, they call them sundogs. They're usually from the same distance. You can get one on both sides of the sun.
Oh.
Mathematically, that's how it's proportioned. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I got 4 of them today.
Wow.
Yep.
Enjoy.
Thanks, man. Check it out. I got another one ripping down here. Jimmy the Jet Trail Prophet here. See what I'm talking about? Nobody knows why the sky looks like what it is. And it happens right before their eyes. And there's another rainbow forming right there for this jet trail. Alright, I gotta hold on to some space because I know something else spectacular looks gonna happen. Hold on. It's just looking too good to stop, folks. Check it out. Jimmy the Jet Trail Prophet here. Just can't stop. Just can't stop. The madness. Got some duckies down here by the dam. Oh, look at this split. Alright, I gotta save some space. Oh, and we got the moon too. Check it out. Do I have it showing? Right under these. I hope I got it. This will be like the prize of the day for me. It's right under there. And there's the rest of the sundog and the fallout cloud there. Moon, there it is. Alright, we got a complete package today, folks. Jimmy Jet Trail Prophet out of here. Oh dang, double, triple with the sundog. And I think that I'm out of space. Come on, don't bounce back now. Check it out, sidewinders and earthlings. Check it out. The Prophet's going mad today. The Prophet is going mad. I mean, they're all over the place, even the little ones. Alright, later. Oh no, triple sundog. Check this out. We got one here, Check it out. We got the double sundog again. Check it out. Still there? Yeah, faintly, right by that tree. We got, how many doubles do we get today? Check it out. This person is going to walk through a sundog. Check it out. They're going to walk through a sundog. Walking through the sundog. Check it out. Oh, man. It's too much for the prophet to handle. Oh, man. All right, I gotta go. I gotta go. Later, folks. That moonshot there. Get it. Get it, Jimmy. Oh, yeah. That's it. Surrounded.